Well, I've been doing some research on the internet trying to find a plastic surgeon for feet, and I was in my car and I heard it on the radio. Then I immediately pulled over and I called, and I felt really good about the conversation on the telephone. Well, I'm an international flight attendant. I travel to Europe quite a bit and to Asia, and I needed to have surgery performed on my feet, but I didn't have a luxury of having a lot of downtime. So, having spoken with Dr. Keys and broke it all down to me about how I would be able to continue with my daily activities with very little discomfort. So that was important to me, and I was able to do that. So, I had the surgery done. I think I took about maybe a week off, and I actually worked 13, 14-hour flights to Europe and to Asia with my Crocs on, and was able to perform my regular duties. I tell everybody, this has been one of the most professional operations I've ever seen and been a part of. In a doctor's office, they usually have you waiting an hour or 2 hours for the doctor to come in. I've never had to wait coming over here. Everyone has been so professional, so personable, which is important. The service is impeccable. So I look forward. It's always, it's always nice to come over here and enjoyable to come over here. The doctor has been very upfront about the procedure, explains everything, and it's just been really comfortable, and I felt like I was in the best hands possible. Oh, it's just being very fortunate to have been able to find Dr. Keys and have him perform the surgery. And I was at work and having had surgery on 3 toes. None of my colleagues could believe that I had actually had foot surgery. Other than the shoes that I wore, they wouldn't have known anything. It was just that the procedure that he used. It is so technologically advanced that's one of the best things about having found him and having had the surgery in the manner that I did. I'm very pleased because I recently went sailing, and so I was very proud of my feet. I have. A friend of mine has had her feet operated on, her toes operated on, and less than successful procedure, so I've recommended that she come over here to Dr. Keys, and so I said, I'm a walking testimony, literally. So.